Transform your passion for online shopping into a reliable income stream by building your very own Walmart affiliate website with WordPress. First things first, you'll need a domain name and web hosting. Think of your domain name as your website's address and hosting as its home. We recommend choosing a reputable hosting provider and a catchy, relevant domain name that reflects your niche. Once you've got those, install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation, making this process incredibly straightforward. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center. Navigate to plugins, then add new. Search for a reputable affiliate link management plugin, like Pretty Links or Easy Affiliate Links. Install and activate your chosen plugin. These plugins will make it easy to can manage your affiliate links. Now, let's make your website look amazing. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and add new. Browse for a clean, responsive theme that suits your product. Focus. Many free themes are excellent, but premium themes often offer more customization options. Activate your chosen theme. To effectively display Walmart products, consider installing a product showcase or coupon plugin. Search for plugins that allow you to easily import product images, descriptions, and prices from external sources, though direct integration isn't always possible without specific APIs. Many plugins aid in manual product entry and display. Next, join a Walmart affiliate program. Visit the Walmart.com affiliate website and follow their sign up process. You'll typically need to provide information about your website and how you plan to promote their products. Once approved, you'll gain access to your unique affiliate links. Now it's time to create content. Head over to Posts, then add New, and start writing compelling product reviews, comparison articles, or gift guides featuring Walmart products within your content. Strategically place your Walmart affiliate links. When a customer clicks your link and makes a purchase on Walmart.com, you'll earn a commission. Don't forget to customize your website's look. Go to Appearance, then Customize, to upload your logo, adjust colors, and set up your navigation menu. Make sure your website is user-friendly and visually appealing to encourage visitors to explore and click through to Walmart. By consistently creating high-quality content and promoting relevant Walmart products, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and start earning commissions. It's all about providing value to your audience and guiding them to great deals on Walmart.